thank you po for the unwavering support po that you have extended to our advocacy, and we ask everyone po to help us spread the good news and hope for these children in need of permanent families po, because every child matters and that every child deserves to be loved.
Maraming salamat sa suporta ng bawat isa at naging successful ulit yung ating celebration. Pero yung pag sinabi nating adoption, hindi ibig sabihin na kumuha lang ng bata. Pag ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay legal adoption.
Every child matters. Every child, there are 3 or 4 words that they need to I would like to emphasize when it comes to adoption. Una-una yung security, stability, opportunity, at higit sa lahat yung love o pagmamahal ng isang pamilya.